Hello and welcome back to our channel of Free Trade Analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end and you guys do not miss on any of the profitable scenarios that we discuss on a regular basis. Okay, now without wasting any further time, let me take you guys straight to the charts of gold, GBP USD, and Euro USD pair, and let us analyze that how much profit or loss did we made as compared to our yesterday's analysis. Okay, thank you. Okay, so now as we were discussing the gold pair yesterday, you guys can clearly see that when we were discussing the market yesterday, market was trending over here, and market did not came below our area of major resistance, and it broke straight past our area of resistance, and our buying. Opportunity number two, the key for entry is number two, buy if the resistance is broken. A risky buy that came into play over here, and we would have made some good profit. Okay, so let me take this trade in front of you guys so you guys can see that how much profit or loss you guys would have made if you guys would have traded this pair over here. Okay, so if you guys would have taken this risky buying entry over here, our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 1.48% profit so far, and this trade is very well still running. And once market went up to 1.4% profit, then market maintained its momentum sideways, and market is now trending in between the range. But now, as you guys can see, that market has broken past our 0.550 level of resistance, and you guys can see that our selling structure is now broken. As you guys can see that market has broken past our area of resistance, so now we are going to look for some bullish moves in this gold pair. As you guys can see that now market has broken this high, which means that now market is going to do a test on this area of resistance and then move upwards. Okay, so to make a new area of resistance, the best possible area of resistance right now is I think over here. Let me just clear the chart a little bit over here, and over here. As you guys can clearly see that market has gone the highest point over here. So the areas of resistances that are gonna come in play are vital. This area, I think this area is going to be the next key. Yes. This area is now going to behave as an area of major resistance now. Okay, as you guys can clearly see that this area has been respected over here, and it has behaved as a support over here, and it has behaved as a resistance over here. So this area is a pretty good area for a resistance, for a new resistance. Okay, so as you guys can clearly see that market broke past the over here and over here. So the best area of short-term support will be approximately I think this zone. Okay, and the major area of support will now be approximately over here, and this will be our major area of support. I am going to turn the color of this candle green. As you guys can clearly see that now market is moving in a bullish direction. Okay, so now let me sorry, now let me move forward these scenarios in the 1 hour chart. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have moved these scenarios somewhat. good. So the market is going around here. So let me move these scenarios for you guys. Okay, and if you guys have any questions, I'm always available in the comment section, so you guys can ask anything that you guys want to ask. And there is no harm in asking any sort of questions. We are always here and ready to help each other as much as possible. Okay, so now let me write down the new area of resistance and support for 21st of June. It is 2367, and the major area of resistance is now 2376. The major area of support is 2333, and the lower area of support is 2323. Okay, so that's all for the gold analysis. I hope that you guys will be making some good profit in this gold pair. So now let us move forward to the next pair, which is the GBP USD pair, and let us see how market behaved for us in this pair. Okay, so when we were discussing this GBP USD pair yesterday, you guys can clearly see that market was trending over here, and once market broke below our area of major support, even though we were looking for the bullish entries, but market behaved in the other direction and gave us an opportunity of selling over here. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a take profit of 1.7% in this first entry. And then in the second entry over here, market gave us another opportunity to sell. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 1.2% profit. Okay, and then market gave us another opportunity of selling over here. So this will be our third entry. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle over here. Our stop loss, our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 1.4% profit. Okay, so now we are going to mark the new areas of support and resistance in this GBP USD pair for 21st of June. As you guys can clearly see, that market has gone below our area of support. So let us go to the 4-hour chart and see that which will be the next best area of support, so we can trade accordingly. As you guys can clearly see that currently market has gone below this area of support, so, and market is testing this area. So the next best area of support will now be approximately this zone. Okay, and the next best area of short-term resistance will be approximately over here. As you guys can see that this area has been respected over here, over here, over here. Several times this area has been respected before, and the major area of resistance will be approximately over here. Sorry for that. And now I've turned this candle red, so you guys can easily trade. Yes. Okay, let us go to the 1-hour chart. And let me write down the new area of support resistance. It will be 1.275, and the major area of resistance will be 1.278, 1.278, and the major area of support will now be 1.264, 1.264. The major area of support will be 1.261. Okay, so let me move forward these scenarios. Okay, so market is currently trending over here. So we will trade accordingly. Okay, so that's all for the GBP pair. Now let us move forward to the last pair, which is the Euro USD pair, and let us see how market behaved with us in this Euro USD pair. You guys can clearly see that market was trending over here, and market did not test our area of support until over here. And after testing this area, market continued to go down, but did not go below our area of major support or above our area of major support. So we are going to remain uh, bearish in this Euro USD pair, and we are going to wait until market gives us a good opportunity to buy or sell. Okay, it is my thinking that market might give us a move downwards towards the selling side in this Euro USD pair as well. Okay, so 21st of June, the areas are going to remain valid, the area of resistance and support, because these areas have not yet been broken by the market. Okay, so let me move forward the scenarios for you guys. Okay, yeah, so that's all for today for the gold, GBP and Euro USD pair. I will see you guys tomorrow with first scenarios. Till then, if you guys have not yet hit the like and subscribe button, then please do. I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh scenarios. Thank you.